Oh, hi. Thank you for watching. Now, darling, this video is a soft and cinematic fashion moment dedicated to you, my queen. And I'm just sharing how much I love you and why I think it's so cute to show you this aspect of you. Because you have a very shy and bashful personality. So remember whenever we go to the store and I say, here, let me film you, try this on, try this on. Well, this is why. Because you are unbelievably beautiful, but you never see yourself that way. So my gift to you, I'm showing you how I see you. Enjoy the show, darling.
Lights flashing, cities